The 2025 Toyota Crown S235. The 2025 Toyota Crown S235 is a premium crossover sedan that blends sleek styling, hybrid tech, and business-class comfort. Built on the TNGA-K platform, it's got the Toyota reputation for reliability, but like any car, it's not perfect. Today, I'll break down its weak spots, from the engine and drivetrain to electronics and body issues, plus how to keep yours running smooth for years. Hybrid powertrains, 2 options, 2 quirks. The Crown comes with 2 hybrid setups, a 2.5-liter hybrid, 236 horsepower, and a 2.4-liter hybrid max, 340 horsepower. Both are solid but have their quirks, especially as mileage adds up. 2.5L Hybrid, A25A, FXS. This fuel sipper uses an Atkinson cycle and a nickel-metal hydride battery, delivering great efficiency, around 42 miles per gallon. But after 80,000 miles or so, some owners notice battery degradation, cutting into electric-only range. Another hiccup, the electric motor cooling system can struggle in extreme heat during long drives. My advice: test the hybrid battery health every 50,000 miles. Clean the cooling system radiators every 30,000 miles to avoid overheating. In hot weather, ease off sustained speeds above 75 miles per hour to reduce strain. 2.4L Hybrid Max, T24A, FTS. The turbo hybrid packs a punch, 340 horsepower, but that turbo is picky about oil quality and driving habits. Past 60,000 miles, turbo wear can pop up, especially if you're heavy on the throttle. Direct injection also leads to carbon buildup on valves, hurting performance over time. My advice: change oil every 7,000 miles with 0W20 or 5W30, API aspirated. Get the intake valves cleaned every 50,000 miles. Skip aggressive launches and redline romps to spare the turbo. E4 Advanced AWD, watch the clutch. The Crown's all-wheel drive system sends power rearward via an electric motor. It's slick, but the multi-plate clutch can wear out after 70,000 miles, especially if you frequently drive on slippery roads. Leaks from the transfer case seals are another known issue. My advice: inspect the clutch and seals every 40,000 miles. Swap the transfer case fluid every 50,000 miles, use Toyota ATFWS. Avoid off-road spinouts, this isn't a rock crawler. Electronics, glitches happen. The Crown's loaded with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 and a slick infotainment system. But some owners report quirks, adaptive cruise misjudging distances, infotainment freezes, or spotty Apple CarPlay/Android Auto connections. My advice: update system firmware every 6 to 12 months at the dealer. Keep cameras and sensors clean, especially after rain or snow. If glitches persist, a new control module runs around $200. Suspension, comfort at a cost. The Crown's McPherson front/multi-link rear setup prioritizes comfort, but rough roads take a toll. By 50,000 miles, sway bar links often start clunking. Platinum trims with adaptive dampers may leak fluid past 70,000 miles. My advice: check sway bar links every 30,000 miles. For rough roads, upgrade to heavy-duty shocks, Bilstein's a good pick. Don't overload the trunk, it strains the rear suspension. Paint and rust, protect the shine. The Crown's body resists rust well, but the paint chips easily, especially on the hood and bumpers. In snowy areas, corrosion can creep under trim pieces like moldings or roof rails. My advice: apply PPF, paint protection film, or ceramic coating to high-impact zones. Check roof rail mounts twice a year and hit them with anti-corrosion spray. Wash the undercarriage after winter to blast off salt. Nitpicks, noise and ergonomics. At highway speeds, 63 decibels at 62 miles per hour, tire and wind noise creep in. Tall drivers, over 6'3", might miss a telescoping steering wheel, and the seats feel firm on long hauls. My advice: add sound deadening, like STP mats, to doors and wheel wells. Grab gel seat pads for road trip comfort. Final verdict, should you buy one? The 2025 Crown is a tech-packed, stylish ride with Toyota's hybrid reliability. But its battery, turbo, electronics, and paint need extra attention. Stay on top of maintenance, and it'll treat you well. Shopping used? Get a pre-purchase inspection to dodge pricey surprises.